Hello and welcome to Gwinnett County Public Library YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and today we are introducing our virtual selling with downloadable apps program.
Hello, my name is Donna and we will be your hosts. 2020 has been a very challenging year for everyone, especially those in our community who have been hard hit financially. One way to get some quick cash is to sell your new, gently worn, or used items virtually. Today we want to share information about downloadable apps to help you find buyers for your items. Also, we'll discuss safe practices for using the apps, and we'll show you the resources available to you on the Gwinnett County Public Library website.
We'll start with an app that you can use to sell your new or gently worn clothing. It's called Poshmark, and it's available on both Apple and Android platforms on your smartphone or tablet. You can access the website on a computer. If you have Facebook or Google Gmail account, you can log into the website using those credentials. Or you can set up an account using your email address and a password that you create.
With over 60 million community members, Poshmark is one of the most popular selling apps. It offers Posh Parties, which are virtual buying and selling events where you can list, buy, and sell together with your friends and family. Each Posh Party features a theme or a brand, so you're bound to find one that interests you. The app also offers Posh Protect for a safe buying and selling experience. Posh Protect ensures that the buyer will receive a full refund if the item doesn't ship or doesn't match the listed description. The seller still gets paid if the package goes missing or gets damaged in transit.
Poshmark primarily focuses on women's clothing and accessories, but it also allows you to sell men's and children's clothing. To sell your items, you create a virtual closet where you can showcase them. You're allowed to add up to 4 photos of each item when you create a listing. You also need to write a short description of each item. Each description should include the brand, color, size, and price. To make a purchase, the buyer can use a credit card or PayPal. When you make a sale, you'll get a prepaid, pre-addressed shipping label from Poshmark, and you can drop off your package at the post office or arrange for a free pickup from the Postal Service on USPS.com.
The next app is Facebook Marketplace. You probably already use the Facebook app to keep in touch with family and friends, so why not use it to sell your items? Facebook Marketplace was launched on the Facebook app in 2016. It's easy to find new and used items such as clothing and accessories, furniture, cars, and even homes to rent or buy. Facebook Marketplace also has brand new items sold by stores. One of the most desirable features is that you can view the profiles of your potential customers. To sell an item, you post a photo and a short description of it. The app will allow you to post your listing to several pages. Payment and delivery are handled by the seller and the buyer, and not by Facebook. The Facebook app is available on both Apple and Android platforms on your smartphone or tablet, and you can also log in on a computer using your email address or phone number and your password. You must be 18 years or older to use Facebook Marketplace.
The next 2 apps that we'll discuss are location-based. We'll start with 5 Miles. 5 Miles is an app for selling your items in a 5-mile radius of your location. To use it, you will need to write a detailed description of the item, upload good photos, and then wait for offers to buy your item. You don't have to download the app if you prefer to use the website to sell your items. You can get paid in cash or request a wire transfer of funds. Once the buyer confirms receipt of the item or items, 5 Miles releases the money to you. 5 Miles allows you to use your phone number, email address, or Facebook account to log in and verify your account. The downloadable app is available on both Apple and Android platforms on your smartphone or tablet.
The other location-based app is LetGo. It's available on both Apple and Android platforms, and the website can also be accessed online. LetGo allows you to sell anything in your local area. You can sell cars, shoes, clothing and accessories, electronics, memorabilia, and so much more. You can log in with your email address or Facebook, Apple, or Google accounts. You can filter based on distance from your current location. When you log in with Facebook, your name and profile photo are imported to the LetGo app to help potential buyers confirm your trustworthiness. You can upload up to 5 pictures of your items and write a short description, and you can also set your own price or set it as negotiable. LetGo does not offer shipping options, but instead encourages buyers and sellers to meet in person to complete the transaction.
The last app that we will talk about is OfferUp. OfferUp is a huge online marketplace focused on customers trying to sell large household items. To sell an item, you pick a category, confirm the item's condition, write a brief description, and establish a price. Like LetGo, OfferUp does not offer customers shipping options. Instead, buyers and sellers are encouraged to contact each other using a private chat and complete the transaction in person. OfferUp is available on both Apple and Android platforms and also has an online website.
These are just a few of the apps where you can sell your things, and there are many more. However, a big concern of all virtual selling apps is the safety of each customer. Safety not only when exchanging items, but also using the internet wisely. Security measures to protect your personal information should be taken seriously. The apps that we have discussed should be considered safe environments to sell and purchase items. All conversations and negotiations should be done using a private chat. Be sure to take precautions when meeting buyers by bringing a friend along or meeting at a public place. Many people meet in front of their local police station to be safe.
We hope you have enjoyed our presentation. We wish you the best of luck in selling your items. Please remember, if you would like to learn more about e-commerce, you can find resources at your local library and online. Gwinnett County Public Library offers online resources such as Small Business Resources, lynda.com, and Gale courses, which are all free to use with your library card. These are accessible to you in the comfort of your home.
If you have any questions about our resources, you can visit our website at gwinnettpl.org or call us at 770-978-5154. You can always stop by any of our 15 branches. Thank you for your time.